This forex strategy is what I use to pretty much have a view like this. Currently, we are recording from Dubai, and I really feel like I want to inspire more people to become profitable traders. And if you've never started, just keep on watching till the end of the video where I break down my strategy step by step. Right, so we're here for a little late night session. It's currently 2 a.m. We just finished a lot of work teaching everybody about what exactly that we're doing, asked a lot of questions, and it's quite sick. This gym, on the other hand, look at that. So I'm actually gonna take you guys to the wellness area. The weather is amazing in Dubai currently. It's like 25-ish degrees at 2 a.m. It's leaking currently in the wellness area, but this is like the entrance to it, right next to the gym. This is the men's wellness area. We've got the steam room over here, so we're definitely gonna enter that. The sauna over here, still need to decide which one. Check at the shower. Got this thing over here at the top, and you pretty much just control it like that. And when you press the button, it goes red. And a little shower, post shower after the thing. And you can change the colors again by pressing the button. So it's green. I don't know, this is quite sick, but 2 a.m. we're gonna have a nice little session, maybe a dip. After this, we go into the Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall is actually like a 5-minute walk from where I stay. Burj Khalifa as well. Why I'm working out right now is that obviously working out is just a natural increase of energy. I'm gonna have a coffee as well and keep on working until the end. Now, it might be a little bit confusing from the start, but don't worry. I will show you by the end of the video and you'll have a little bit more knowledge. So pretty much, let's start off with what I use to trade. I use the Fibonacci retracement tool, and this is pretty much a normal sequence, something seen in human DNA, something seen in nature, and also something seen on the financial markets. So you mainly want to trade upon different levels that the Fibonacci retracement provides you. You pretty much start off by placing it from your highest trough to your lowest trough. So with this being said, you have 3 levels on your Fibonacci known as the golden level zones. This is 0.236, 0.382, and 0.618. Now you usually want to be inside these zones for the perfect and most optimal profitable trades. So when you enter these trades, you also are allowed to see on the Fibonacci, they show you secret levels of support and resistance. I didn't really have this blueprint, but I kind of call it like a blueprint now because it's worked. It has worked. It's the most safest route if you have good information and a good mentor like myself. So this is actually the place. The restaurant is over there. Oops. Restaurant's over there. So pretty much I started off as a dropshipper, right? You guys probably know most of you guys my origin story. I sold desktops from the age of 17, and like there were high ticket orders. It was quite nice to get these like high ticket. One order was like anywhere from 2,500 Rand to like 4,000 Rand in profit. So like doing that 10 times in a month at 17 was insane. So then from there, people saw that I was like making good cash, and this guy then came on to me and was like, listen, don't you want to come into what's known as like forex trading? Now these would usually be on your golden level zones. So if you've never been able to do support and resistance, the Fibonacci retracement tool allows you to see this. So after that, I will go onto trading view, and I'll go onto the 4-hour time frame is the first thing I do. I then place my Fibonacci retracement tool, and I then place my support and resistance tool, and I can also understand price action so I can see how candles are moving. But you don't need to worry about that for today's video. Now after I do that, I then go down to the 1-hour time frame, and I do exactly the same thing that I did on the 4-hour time frame. This allows me to have more data and more confluence in my trades, and allows me to have more confidence when I'm entering these forex financial trades. So I trade indices and I trade currencies, and this strategy works on every single thing on the foreign exchange markets as well as indices. Now I'm obviously not going to say like Dubai is better than South Africa because each have their own thing, but over here it is nice when I'm like, my hotel's like a 7-minute walk away from here. So I quickly needed to get something, and I think I'm gonna go maybe on the scooters a little bit later. I see that you can get like, okay, well, I don't know. So I see that you can pretty much get like an electric scooter, and it's quite cheap. For a day, it's like 20 dirhams, if I'm not mistaken. I'm actually gonna download the app now so I can go scoot around Dubai. All right, so let's continue with the Dubai Chronicles. So currently I'm on my scooter, little bicycle, electric bicycle. I can actually put up the intensity of the bike over there. I currently got outside of my hotel room, and if you look over there, if you look over there, you can see the Dubai Mall. So not the Dubai Mall, the Burj Khalifa. Let me show you guys. But we have been grinding, we have been doing sales, we have been working on my stores. I think I haven't slept, I have not slept before 4 a.m. I have not slept before 4 a.m. In Dubai currently. Sorry, 5 a.m. I haven't slept before 5 and I wake up at like 11 and keep on grinding. So, you know, it's what we do, it's what I like. Trading and analyzing, and then obviously working on the dropshipping stores, then going live, then helping people. But thank goodness I have my mentors that are always there to help me throughout the way. I think we're still on like the fancy floor. This is the third floor now. But I can't find this camera store. Literally can't find this camera store. My hand is currently my tripod. But it's like it's definitely nice recording in public. I don't feel weird at all. I think because it's Dubai, it's a lot more normal to do it than South Africa. I mean, somebody will probably face me. So if you guys want to learn more about the strategy after watching the step-by-step guide, which is coming up now, then do yourself a favor and check the link down below. We have free analysis and we have free signals in the Telegram group. But also, if you want me as your mentor and you want to enroll into Hermes Academy, do yourself a favor and check down below. Again, it's only 500 Rand of current recording, which is $26 for a once-off enrollment fee. Let me give you guys a little look. I will show you guys a little bit better. Let's first go to the room. It's going to be this way. I don't know if it's gonna compare to the old one that we were at. This is fancy. So this is crazy. There's gonna be there's different shuttles that come. This is quite far from the actual Dubai. We're a little bit outside of Dubai, so there's like shuttles and stuff that come to pick you up, take you to Dubai Mall and wherever you need to go every so few minutes. This is my whole room. So should we check it out again? So we've got this over here. For this room, 15,000 a night. And I mean, goodness gracious me, is it worth it? Is it worth it? 100%.
Before it's too late.
You pretty much get 2 weekly classes with both dropshipping and trading. And I also have a dropshipping store that has made about $250,000 in the last 3 years when I started back at 17, which is equivalent to 4 million Rand. So you guys need to understand that we have so much value inside Hermes Academy. I'm not really trying to sell you something because we do provide a lot of free things on this channel. So you guys can also go check that out. As somebody that has gone to both university and been in the online game for about 4 years right now, this is my honest opinion for everybody that is thinking about going to university or simply going straight into the online way of making money. Now remember, the online way of making money has just become new, and so our parents also might not be understanding when it comes to telling them about how to make money online because they didn't have it during their times. Remember, things changes, there's new trends that happen, and now the current trend is to make money online. I'd honestly say that going into online forms of making money for 4 years is a way better thing to do than going to university, and this is my reasoning. There's probably only 5 degrees that will actually make you or get you a good job and actually get you a good income. With the other degrees, you fall into a high chance of becoming unemployed, and especially if you're using South Africa as an example, there's a 32.6% unemployment rate. That means that in between 10 million people, 3.2 million people are unemployed. The other half of them living day to day, or they're living on a 25 Rand an hour paycheck. That is barely enough to survive. And unfortunately, the harsh truth is that 90% of people that are probably watching this video might fall into that trap. Now, what I think about the online space is that you are able to develop yourself and you're able to develop the way that you are making money. If you're going to university, we all know that you are going to university to get a job and work for somebody else and make somebody else rich. Now, in the online space, it is a great way to develop yourself and learn about yourself. I've learned so much about myself. I've learned exactly how my body works. And I can tell you that everyone is different. From just being in the space, everyone is different. In trading, everyone might have their own strategy, own way of trading. In dropshipping, everybody might sell different products. They might have their own trading, dropshipping strategies, selling strategies. That is the nice part about becoming an online earner. And comment down below if you understood it or not. And if you comment down anywhere that you need help, I will reply.